Hello everyone, welcome to BusyBusy's 2022.4 release summary. There are 8 new features or updates as part of this release. One particular new feature is quite large and exciting, and we will start with it. Photo verification. Photo verification uses facial recognition to verify that the employee who is clocking in is the actual employee on file by comparing their profile picture using facial recognition. Some of you might be familiar with photo verification. It's something that BusyBusy has had for a while now on kiosk mode. But now, with our new 22.4 release, it is now available in single user mode on mobile devices in addition to our kiosk mode. You can activate photo verification using either the web or on mobile, and the steps are the same for both. To save time, I will show you how to do it on the web right now, but know that the process is also the same on mobile. Since photo verification is assigned by position group, go to the settings on either web or mobile, click on Positions, select the position you wish to require photo verification for, come down all the way to the Other category near the bottom, click on Require Photo Verification. Check the box to require it, and then select the times you wish to require photo verification for. By default, it checks all the boxes, but you can do any combination of these 4. Click Update, and now all your employees under that position group will now be required to submit photo verification. If you wish to assign other positions, you will need to repeat that process for each position. So what does the photo verification look like in the field? It's really unobtrusive and fast. When an employee goes to clock in, they will go through the process of clocking in as normal by filling out projects, cost codes, equipment, a daily sign-in question or 2 if that is required. But now when your employee hits the Save button, their front-facing camera will automatically turn on and a countdown will start. When it reaches 0, BusyBusy will snap a picture for the photo verification. The employee can then see that picture and decide whether to accept it or take another one. Once the picture is accepted, then the employee is clocked in or clocked out, or their break starts or ends, whatever you have selected photo verification to do. If for some reason the employee photo doesn't match the one on file, the employee is still allowed to clock in. But BusyBusy flags the photo, and the admin is alerted to the discrepancy in the photo verification report. This report is available on web or mobile, and it shows admin any potential verification problems that can then be addressed. The photo verification library can be sorted by good matches or failed matches for each day, and you can filter by employee. You can also see the source of the photos, whether it is an employee clock in from their personal phone or a kiosk mode clock in. A couple of other quick points about the photo verification feature. Photos must be a 90% match or it will be flagged, and yes, photo verification works even if employees are making funny faces or flipping you the bird. This is really cool. If there are no profile photos on file when photo verification is turned on, BusyBusy will use the first photo that is taken for photo verification and set that as the employee's profile picture. So the admin doesn't need to worry about collecting profile pics from everyone before they can turn on photo verification. So companies can start using photo verification immediately, even if they don't have profile pictures on file yet. And finally, what if an admin needs to update or change an employee profile picture for some reason? BusyBusy makes this really easy to do. If someone has permission to manage members, which an admin does, an admin can change or update a profile picture by choosing from the last 15 to 20 kiosk pictures that have been taken. This is done by going to the photo verification report on mobile, tap on the name of the employee you wish to update the profile picture for, and then tap on the little photo in the corner if you're on an Android, or the 3 dots in the upper right corner if you're using iOS. This will bring up the collection of kiosk photos to choose from. You simply click on the one you want and hit Save, and that will update that employee's profile pic to the one that you chose. Okay, moving on to some of our other features for 2022.4. BusyBusy's dashboard used to only display 3 cards across. But with this update, you now have the option to make the dashboard display 4 cards across. This will give a user more information density with less scrolling. It also makes for a better, cleaner experience if a user has a widescreen monitor. And also with the dashboard settings, the selected time range text is displayed next to each category, so you can quickly look and see what everything is set to without needing to click into it. Another exciting update on 2022.4 has to do with our GPS map feature on both web and mobile. Employee and equipment photos will now show up inside their GPS location pin, so it's really fast and easy to identify who is who and what is what without needing to click on the pin. These photos add so much functionality to the map, and plus it looks really cool. We've offered split time entry on mobile for a while now, but with this release, split time entry is now available on the web. To split a time entry, you go to Time Entries, click on the 3-dot stack next to where the employee time entry is that you'd like to split, and click on Split Time. From this point, there's a couple different ways to enter the split time. You can simply type the time you wish the split to happen, and then the hours are automatically divided down here for you, or you can split the entry by hours and it will automatically calculate the correct split time up here. Either way, enter the information, hit the submit button, and the time entry is now split. Now you can click on the entry and change the project cost code or equipment as needed. While we're talking about time entries on the web, there are a couple of new filters with this release. In addition to the other filters that we've had to search time entries, you can now filter by project groups and cost code groups. Speaking of filters, we've also added another filter option to the daily sign-in report on the web. This filter allows you to sort responses by position. By selecting this filter, it will show you all the sign-in question responses from, say, just your employees or just your supervisors, giving you the increased functionality to quickly find exactly what you're looking for. The last 2 releases are updates to BusyBusy's mobile platform. On both iOS and Android, you can now view labor activity in a by-date range report, displaying important totals in weeks, months, or pay periods. These powerful by-date range reports have been available on the web for a few months, and now they're available to access on mobile. To access these reports, go to Reports, scroll all the way down to the by-date range activity. You can see your total hours for the last 52 weeks, with the total up here and then broken down by weeks below. There are other totals to choose from besides total hours, including total cost, regular hours, overtime hours, etc. If you want to change the date range from 52 weeks to something else, tap at the top bar where it says 52 weeks to change that range to a different range, anywhere from 1 week all the way up to 104 weeks. Or you can see your total hours in months from a range of 1 to 24 months, and also in pay periods from 1 to 52 pay periods. This report is so helpful when looking at company changes over time and giving you a sense of company direction and speed. Finally, there is a new iOS BusyBusy widget that admins and supervisors are going to love. In addition to the other wonderful BusyBusy widgets, this daily summary widget displays a running tally of important markers on your home screen, including total time worked, photo and note submissions, daily project report submissions, time off requests, injuries reported, time issues, or flagged sign-in questions. The counts are automatically refreshed every hour. Plus, if you see something that you need to explore further, you can click on a row and it will navigate you to that report within BusyBusy. For example, if you're going throughout your day and you notice a couple of time issues pop up that have been reported, you can click on the time issue row and it will take you to the time card report where you can then filter to the time issues themselves. Really, really handy iOS widget. Okay, so that's the summary of the new updates that are part of BusyBusy's 4th release in 2022. Photo verification, split time entries, a new look for our map pins, some new filters and an optional dashboard layout change, a date range report for mobile, and a new daily summary widget for iOS. We want to give a quick shout out to our amazingly talented developers here at Busy Busy. These updates are exciting and there are more coming. You guys have a wonderful day, and as we like to say, stay busy.